will take here like a comments. So I will take here H1. So here I am taking comments 1. Okay. So here it will present in your browser. Wait a second. Let me close this. So see here, it is presented, right? Comments 1. So here I'm writing this is a single line comments. Okay. So see here it is also as it is, it will be presented in your browser. Okay. So I'm going to commenting this. So it will not present in your browser. So how it will be the shortcut key to comment the single line comment or control forward slash. Okay, control forward slash. Here I'm going to give a multi-line comment. Okay, H2. I'm taking here multi line comment. Okay, there's a multi-line comment. Here I'm taking. This is the multi-line. So here I will apply for this. So see here. So this is the multi-line comment. I'm going to select this one. Select this one, and same you can use control forward slash. So it is commenting all the lines, right? So this will be the multi-line comment. It's not presenting in your browser. So the comment is not presenting in your browser. What you are writing in your Visual Studio Code. So suppose you are going to comment that, it will not present in your Visual Studio Code. Okay. So third one with the H3, I'm taking here inline. Okay, inline comment. So here I'm taking the format of this is a another okay, another comment. So what is that? Wait a second, I'll take the book. This is another paragraph. Okay, this is another paragraph, and this is an inline comment. It contains an inline comment. Okay, so here see, here what happened. So it will present the line, all the line. So I need to comment only the line. Okay, this is only the selected line. I need to comment here. So go to your Visual Studio and take for here. Okay, I'm going to comment this. Oh, not like this. So take a manually like this. So here up to I need to comment this one. Inline comment is happening like this. Okay. So it will mess in your paragraph. See, like this, you need to use the comment section. Is it clear, right, everyone? How to use the comment section? Hello? Yeah. After I need to take the images. Okay. Images dot HTML. Okay. How to represent images in your browser. So here I'm going to take. So here I'm going to take. So here I'm going to take. Here directly you can take. So I need to take images, right? Images. So here I'm taking image src So SRC with the attribute, so you need to take the source link here. So I'm directly taking from the browser. This is the one way to fetch the image like this. After this is the first way. I'll show you the first way. Here I'm taking the nature images. I'm taking. So I want to fetch this. So select this one and click on right click on your notepad and copy image address. You need to copy image address and go to your browser and paste here. So this will be the image address. If the internet is available of on that time only, it will be present. See how much big it is, right? So here, so we don't have the ending tag for image also. Okay. So alt means if the image is not present, alt means so here I'm giving the alt message that will be the picture. Okay. So you go to your execute this one and see here. So if it is image URL is wrong, if the image is not present, see here I'm going here. So like alt message will be this is present. If the image is not there, alt message what you are giving there, that will be printed. The alt message what I have given that will be the nature. So the nature will be printed here. Right. So this is the one way to take and fetch the one way to take URL like this. After that, you need to download your anything, your image. So this will be the right the thing. The deployment will be the possible to like do like this. The images also will be deployed there. I'm going to downloading just one. Save as image one. Okay. First you can save in your desktop. After that, uh, go to your folder. Cut copy here, Control X, and go to your main folder. What you are doing there. So fetch in your folder. It will take, and directly you can use third image I'm using, second image I'm using, second image SRC, second way to use like that. Directly you can call image not like that. Or what I have given there. Directly you can take image one in the text format, right? So we don't have the ending tag for image. So directly take alt message what I'm taking is the nature one. Nature image. Okay. So how the way you need to take and you need to fetch the images like. So see here. We need a break after that. Yeah. Okay. So it will be present after the line. Okay. So how the way you need to take and you need to fetch the images as well.